Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to sign up for Webull. To sign up for Webull, first of all, open up your web browser and type in webull.com on your browser, or you can also download the Webull application from your App Store or Google Play Store and launch it open. I'm just going to work with the application in today's video. Once you open up Webull, you'll see these two buttons at the bottom. To create a new account and get started, tap on Sign Up. Now on the next page, type down a phone number or go ahead and sign up using an email address. I'm just gonna type in an email for easy access. After you write down your email, go ahead and tap on this I have read and agree box at the bottom and click next. On the next page, verify your email or your phone number by entering the code that has been sent to you via email or SMS. After typing down the code, on the next page you'll need to set a password. Type down a login password, make sure it is strong and it has 8 to 20 characters including uppercase, lowercase and numbers. Re-enter the password once again in the next field and finally click on sign up. After you do that, on the next page go ahead and add some symbols to follow and get real-time codes. And click on add to watch list at the bottom. You can also skip this step for now by tapping skip. And right after that, you'll end up in the watch list section. You have successfully signed up for your account. So that's how you can easily sign up or create a new account for Webull. You can now explore stocks, ETFs, cryptos, and more. You'll now need to go ahead and consider depositing funds to start investing. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.